welcome back. This is day 3 of Puerto Escondido. It's also known for having some of the best surfing waves here in the world. It was voted number 3. Right now, I'm on my way over to an ATM and I'm going to explore more of this beach, so be ready for that. We're over here at this awesome restaurant called Fresh, one of Tyler's favorite spots.
Nice, I like it.
It's a good one. You're gonna have to check out this view. You have to see it for yourself. This video is not gonna do justice. I had to take it easy last night. These last couple of days have been pretty wild and exciting, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of tequila, a lot of crazy fun people that are here. If y'all ever thinking about coming to Puerto Escondido, this is a good hot spot. Hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share it, and always subscribe.